SkillBout is something like this. Look, there are like many engineering colleges in pan India, and we have traveled all over India, and then we thought about this. One thing is the quality of the education. So there is where we are coming across. The thing about this one is, we need to connect that industrial standard and the engineering standard to match that standard. For example, when I was doing pursuing engineering, I was like this. I'm in final year and I don't know how to code it. After engineering, to be honest, I did my engineering after my engineering. So I told this, and wherever the place I go, I tell this one. I just wanted to get that, the gap between that, and I wanted to fulfill that. That is where we come across the SkillBout. Now, when we started this, the only one thing was to spend the time with the student, and we need to make sure that he is willing to do the coding. I'm not telling, okay, the one who knows the coding, and we are just, enhancing the coding, nothing like that. Even if there is zero knowledge regarding the coding, they don't have absolutely no idea about the coding. We're gonna be making them such a way that they're gonna start loving the coding. They start feeling the coding. They just don't feel the coding. They just think. In each step, I want them to think about the coding, or think about the logic, think about the coding. That is where we came across. Not only regarding the coding, maybe like mathematical skills, might be communication skills, maybe like how to behave with, soft skills, maybe all the things, all the corporate cultures, everything we want to fulfill it. That is where we are coming across to it. And what we're gonna do is something like this. There are a couple of things where we are connected with the industry. We know the market, how exactly it works. Maybe like these days, if you ask me, one who is having an internship with a full stack or mean stack or main stack or something like that, at least need to have this kind of a quality. So that is what I'm thinking on it. Way back, maybe 7 years down the line, if you know how to write a prime number, if you know how to write a Fibonacci series, you are into the company. Now it's not like this. Now, when I see this generation coming onto it, the company needs more time, right? So now the test won't be like, okay, just write the prime number, just write the Fibonacci series. It won't be like that. So you need to have a project in your hand. Like either you start from the HTML, either you start from the CSS, either you start with the whatever it is, maybe like small coding, C++ or C language, or you do the data structures, algorithms. So when we hear about the data structures, when you hear about the programming, even I will puke. Even way back then, if someone had told me, okay, learn data structures, I like data structures, it is gone in my head. It's actually a simple thing, simple concept. I just believe that if I can do it, anyone can do it, right? Like this. If I can do it, anyone can do it. That is what I think about it. Fool can do the thing so much, and you are way more better than me, right? You can do it more. That is what the one thought we had it in our mind to create this SkillBout. It's something like this. We have the passionate people. It's just not a random guy come here and he's execute the program. The people over here are something like this. They're working in some company, XYZ company. They'll come here. If he's exporting Python, they will teach Python. If they are exporting Java, they will teach Python. The one who is working in Python, one is working in Java, one is working in HTML, CSS, one is working in React, one is working in Angular, one is working in AI/ML. They're gonna be completely like ideal.